So the power went off in my house, and the time got messed up on the Keurig, and I didn't quite know how to fix it. So after a little bit of research, I found out how to fix it, and I'm gonna share with anybody else who runs into a similar problem. So we're gonna hit the power button. All right, and we're gonna wanna hold down the hours button until it starts blinking. And right now the time is 5:31 p.m. So cycle with the hours until we hit 5 p.m. And then 5:31, so we're gonna cycle with the minutes button until we hit 5:31. And it's actually that easy. But if you don't know how to do it, it could be kind of frustrating because you have to just kind of do what I just did. See, it just went off again. So, power, hold it down. Cycle to the desired time. Now it's 5:32 p.m. I skipped it. So. Now the minutes. And then you hit the K button. And it's set. You can turn it off. And now our time is set. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you found this helpful.